As a government, we are committed to continuous improvement. Every lesson learned elsewhere becomes a lesson applied at home. Mr. Speaker, I'm mindful of the anxieties that such a tragedy can evoke, particularly among our own people who rely on air travel. Let me offer direct assurance to every Fijian passenger, every airline worker, every family member who sees a loved one off at the airport. The skies over Fiji remain safe. And they are safe because we as a government refuse to take chances. They are safe because the coalition government believes in accountability, vigilance, and proactive regulation. They are safe because the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation, in close collaboration with the CAF, continues to hold Fiji's aviation industry to the highest international standards. We do not wait for the storm. We read the weather, prepare, and protect. In closing, Mr. Speaker, strategy often brings clarity. The case of India Flight A1171 is a reminder that aviation safety must never be taken for granted. It is a system built not only on technology, but on trust, discipline, and diligence. But we also renew our resolve to act, to learn, and to safeguard the lives entrusted to us, to our skies. Let this Parliament be assured that under the leadership of the coalition government, Fiji aviation safety standard will not only be upheld, it will be strengthened. We will remain alert, we will remain accountable, and above all, we will remain committed to the safety and well-being of every Fijian who looks to the skies, whether for business, for family, or for hope.